Uh, Good morning. This is Professor Olojani Senkunku, elected Secretary General of United Nations. Quick message. Today we are in Geneva here, and today we are December 20, 2021. December 20, 2021. A quick message for people of Philippines and we saw that Philippines they know the Typhoon in the Philippines. We regret as a professor of disaster preparedness. We are professor of disaster preparedness. For the people said no, where he developed the program. I developed the program to heal and prevent tsunami, to prevent Fukushima, to prevent Fukushima, to prevent a typhoon in North Korea. We developed the program to the University of Tangaza. It's an Italian missionary university. I always bring science. I always develop science in the university. Is a religious university, but I bring very high science. Okay, and God put me always in the context of Catholic University of the Missionary of Tangaza, to lead the science, to lead politics, to lead economy. So I developed this program to the University of Tangaza, Italian university, for the missionary, the program called Disaster Preparedness and Management. Disaster preparedness and management. So when I see I cannot be there, I'm far from Geneva, that we cannot organize to be there with the people of Philippines, victim of typhoon. I don't know. The typhoon can be comes from the HARP project. So human can bring this disaster for Holocaust, for blood tax, for election, and also there is a natural disaster. So natural disaster. So my heart is with the people of Philippines in this time of difficulties, death, and I wish all family lost their loved one, their member of family. I wish them my condolence. I want also to thank all of you. I received the message that people wish to have their name in the list. Okay, I thank everybody. Okay, in my speech, I thank everybody support me, and those that didn't support me. Okay, I think what right to do. So if I didn't give your name, consider that my heart is open universally. So you have, I don't leave someone behind. Special thanks to the President Erdogan. Also, those I didn't mention their name, probably in the next speech, I will consider that you are a part of this change, and will further consider your contribution. Okay. There are people also I thank. They know that they didn't make a contribution, but because I want to thank everybody, so I consider them. But they know that they didn't bring contribution. To encourage them to make a contribution, or in the future, to get in our vision. We thank also people from Honduras. Thank you so much. I received some email of people of Honduras who are working for your health and your prosperity. Thank you. Thank you. About once again, about my marriage. When I meet my wife, Bongisa, she was a nun. When I meet her. After, there are some things didn't work. Okay, no, they push her to be enrolled in a Freemasonry criminal organization. Okay, when I came from seminary, I went to pray when I decided to have a wife. So I went for the retreat, spiritual retreat, and because I have a girlfriend, but the girlfriend were manipulated by Freemasonry, and I said, God, I'm not going to, I cannot go where I'm going with this girlfriend, because they are manipulated, and they don't understand my vision. Even if I explain, they cannot. God have to open the eyes to understand. And then I want to pray for retreat, and God give me. God said, okay, show me the first woman. She was a nun, Sister Priska Zulu from Zambia. After that, when I asked Sister Priska, she said that she were not ready because she need preparation and everything. And God going to show me the wife she prepared in this vision. God told me, I will bring this wife at home. You are not going to the club to look for her. You will not go to the restaurant to look for a woman. I will bring the woman in your house until she came. When she came, I know she was her. And then, after that, I explained to her. She said, me, God didn't open my eyes yet, and let me go. Let me go to pray myself, because I'm a nun, and God will reveal to me. And then she came back. When she finished to pray, few days, she came back. She gave me a Bible and soap. And we pray together. She said to me, I'm your wife, and your wife forever. That's why you see in my video, I said, she's my wife, and my wife forever. So after that, Freemasonry pushed us You see how I resist. When I promised to my wife I never will go to the bed with another wife, I respected that. I saw her December 2000, December 2018. I was dying there, and Uhuru Kenyatta and other were killing me. I was dying there when she left me. So she didn't expect me I will be alive today. And for people said when he's putting his button, maybe he did sex, maybe he did he was sodomized. Don't it's mediocre to think about that. I said, yeah, I never will be. I was chosen by God, and even if in the prison, in jail, they could not touch me. You cannot. I have a power. You can. Someone challenge all religions around the world. I told them to pray when I was in Nairobi, and when I came here, I told them pray for me to die, or do the magic me to be affected. They could not. I take their prayer, I put here. So the Freemasons are 33 degrees. They are here. They are here. Me, I'm there. I'm there. You cannot affect me. It's impossible. Someone removed more than 700 poison attack. So you cannot have me. So when I will sit as a Secretary General there, the one will give me the hand, will come with every esoteric magic and everything. You cannot affect me. I'm very high, very high. And checked by many congregations, I passed by for many congregations. So to finish the story of my wife, after my wife was mistreated, the Vatican gave her a job at St. James. So they want to remove her from there. After they put her in a situation that she could not buy food. They want to put her in school without getting paid. Me too, they blocked me. I could not even if buy a credit to call her. We were persecuted. After people get her in the Masonic tradition marriage, okay, probably she have to sleep with the people there, her people, they call customers there, and she have to sleep with a boy. Boy can be probably my brother. Okay, she have to sleep with my brother. So today the tradition marriage at 3. So my brother will have a power on my wife, and will have a power in the public service I will lead at New York. I cannot accept that. One, I'm blessed, I'm the chosen one. So I cannot enter in the marriage of the beast of Freemasonry. I cannot enter in this marriage. What I'm going to do is to meet first my wife. She needs exorcism. I'm more powerful spiritually. I'm very high. So I need, when you send me, a woman came to spy me, I change, I put, I make exorcism. And I saw in Chantal the reptilian. You see, Chantal were there. Chantal said, please help me. So I closed my eyes. I pray for Chantal, and I saw the reptilian get out from Chantal and get to the door. Okay? And she could not have a baby, but when the reptilian went, and she went with me, or she was prepared to go with me, and she get a baby, and beautiful, a twin. She get a twin, but when I travel, I think I went in Myanmar or somewhere, Freemason called her to remind her she have to give the firstborn to them. So they went without my consent. The hospital Montfort Hospital in Ottawa, Montfort Hospital. They make operation, they remove this boy, could be president, and you know the story. I'm not going to repeat that. So I have to see my wife first before we go to United Nations, because it's a big responsibility. I don't want your tradition, so the women have to be there, the second husband have to be there, and they will have a power when I will go to fight for the right of people, because I have agenda of God. I have agenda of science. So when I will go to fight, and there is someone will disturb me in my own family, I'm not going to accept that. So I have to meet Bongisa. She have to tell me if she want me, and then we're going to make arrangement. Before you get to the parents, I think those who love each other have to make their arrangement, and when they agree that we are prepared for the wars, and the better and the worse were prepared, and they come to see the parent to say, okay, that's our tradition in Africa. So I don't want the marriage, Western marriage or tradition. Okay, if we have to invite you for the party, for where, or big marriage and everything, that will be after. I didn't see my wife 2018, and I know what happened, many things they did. Okay, I'm not going to take, I love my wife, I love her, I choose her. You cannot love someone and wait her. Today, no one impels me to go to bed with a woman. No one. There are many women crack down on me, but because I promised to God, I will be a serious. I never go to the bed. 2018, we are December 2021. I never go to bed with a woman. Even if you call the woman, you are calling the woman. There are women who want me. This night, if I go there, we will go get to bed. There are women are waiting, but I love my wife. I love my wife, and I have a principle. I'm not going to break God principle because I have to sit at the United Nations and to satisfy Freemason criminal organization. I have to meet also my brother. We have to talk, and it will be private. I don't want it to be public. Matrimony, no. I don't want to lead United Nations in the bed of matrimony treason. I faced that. I received some video call just to break my heart when they are making sexual assault to my wife. I received that. I don't want to get that. I want to see her. We're going to talk. We're going to pray to prepare to go to United Nations. I have to prepare her, because I can avoid. You come with your miracle from I don't know everywhere. You come with the miracle. I will destroy it. I will destroy it. But my wife, she's not prepared. She's prepared by Freemasonry. She will fall. When I pass, she will fall. So I have to prepare her spirituality, my spirituality, not the other, because you don't know the secret I have with God. So that's what we have to do. I know you want directly or marriage, directly marriage, that's your tradition. No. Antonio Guterres say, change need right direction. The Queen Elizabeth broke her own tradition. You see, go to see the video of the Queen Elizabeth. In normal time, she could not talk about me, but she breaks her own because she understands better. Her wisdom brings her to, you know, to understand things and to adapt herself in the change. Okay, to adapt in the change. But you are not going to impose. When I meet Bongisa, we married in front of God. You are not going to impose the fact that you know, you bring her in the cemetery to drink blood of people and human, and that's the change the pacta we sign. That's the change that this woman was chosen by God, because she was a nun. She was a nun, and she told me, you give her medicine to erase her memory. There are many things, so we have to clear that. We have to clear. So I cannot look, God is isolate me to prepare. Spiritually, I'm high, very high. Even if I say the speech, no one will challenge the speech. There are many senators cannot give this speech. There are many American senators or leaders in the world, they cannot. Even if Obama tried to challenge me, Obama cannot teach in French and English. My English, I learned it is new. Look how I'm leading the speech in English. So I don't have someone can compete with me. Now I'm writing Spanish. I'm writing Spanish. I'm very advanced. So Spanish, I'll continue to practice Kiswahili, Kikongo, Kituba, Lingala, French, and English. 7. So that's the message I had to tell you. We have time. I have to meet my wife. We have to clear. I'm not going to get, when I'm with my wife, I don't need ex-boyfriend. Can be my brother, my uncle, or whatever they do, to be there, because it's important work I will do to United Nations. We have to take seriously. Okay, though keep your tradition to the White House, because the White House is a garbage. It's the garbage. Keep your whatever you call it, in your home, in your palace. Okay, to mix matrimony and no. I'm going to work at the United Nations. I need someone to help me, to complete me. I think that's what we have to do. I'm not going to lead. I'm bringing a blessing to New York. So you will see when I'm sitting in New York, even if America will shine. But if I don't sit there, America never will shine. Never. America will collapse until American will start to go to exile. Switzerland will receive, America will come to ask a refugee here. I'm just sad about Black American there, where they will go, because Negro threat from Africa to America, and if America collapses, where they will go, they will go. That's why I try to bring them back in Africa in the program that with their passport, the video you have. So that's the problem. So I think I'm very clear about my wife. I love her. I want to be with her, but not in the marriage, Satanist marriage, Freemason marriage. No, not Freemason marriage. The wife I have to get is the wife God chose. And Bongisa was chosen by God. I went to the retreat, God bring me. I didn't go to the house of Bongisa. It's God bring me, ask her. But she's not the same right now. So we have to meet. There is a spiritual work I have to do to restore her. She was broken, to restore her. And we will get the marriage that blessed by God. We can invite you, people, if Freemasons want to come to our marriage, they can come, okay? They can come. There are people are not England, Anglican, but they go to the marriage of Anglican. There are people of not Jewish, but when Jewish married, they